Real talk, mamas. There is nothing quite like the subtle pressure of walking into an ultra-exclusive, old money country club, only to realize your baby is screaming for lunch and you are wearing a silk dress with zero nursing flaps. If you're heading to a high-end charity brunch or a weekend tennis mixer, you might feel like those centuries-old etiquette rules are working completely against you. But you do not have to hide out in a dusty restroom stall. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to navigate old money country club rules while breastfeeding, so you can keep your baby completely satisfied and your luxury aesthetic totally intact. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to mastering motherhood without losing your elevated style. Being a nursing mom should never mean skipping out on the finer things in life, whether that is a vacation or Sunday brunch at the club. But blending high society with a breastfeeding schedule requires a strategic game plan. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Country clubs can feel intimidating with their strict traditions, but with the right hacks, you will be running the place like a total VIP. Let's start with a baseline rule you need to know before you pull up to the valet. In almost every state, you have a legal right to breastfeed anywhere you are authorized to be. The dining room, patio, and poolside cabana are all fair game. However, old money culture heavily prioritizes discretion. To blend in seamlessly while standing your ground, invest in high-end nursing apparel that looks like effortless quiet luxury. Elegant linen wraps allow you to feed your baby without flashing the committee. If anyone gives you a sideways glance, look them right in the eye, smile gracefully, and keep going. Radiating confidence is the ultimate power move. Now, let's talk about the gear that is going to be an absolute game changer. If you need to pump while at the club, ditch the bulky equipment. You need a cordless, whisper-quiet wearable pump that slips discreetly into a chic leather diaper bag. Investing in high-end gear that looks like an expensive designer tote but holds all your ice packs and milk stash perfectly is worth every single buck. Bring a bougie travel chiller to keep your ounces of liquid gold perfectly cold for hours while sitting poolside. Finally, let's navigate the physical spaces. If you prefer privacy but refuse to sit in a restroom stall, skip the main restrooms entirely. Head over to the ladies' lounge attached to the locker room. These spaces are usually gorgeous, filled with plush couches and zero foot traffic. It is the perfect spot to nurse in total peace. If a staff member ever suggests you move, stay completely calm but firm. Politely remind them that you are enjoying the amenities just like any other member. You belong here, mama. Navigating high society as a breastfeeding mom does not have to be stressful. With the right mindset, you can own the room. If you love these hacks and want more real talk on luxury motherhood, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite club hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you next time. Cheers, mamas.